What if space isn't empty at all? What if it's a high-pressure river you can surf? Forget pushing against a vacuum. In the kinetic grid perspective, there's a constant carrier force flowing through a 3D grid. Propulsion isn't brute force, it's finesse. You don't smash through space, you clear it. Here's the move. The craft displaces the flow ahead, then erases resistance lines in the direction of travel. Clean path, clean acceleration, no fake infinite energy spike, just fuel versus distance like planning a road trip. Now, the twist. Not all energy is the same. Matter energy is the steady stuff, the ship's body, its structure, locked into the grid with a constant weight. Propulsion energy is different. Think physicalized energy that doesn't stick to the ship. It only interacts with the grid. That breaks the usual symmetry where adding energy adds mass. Acceleration stops being punished by weight gain. Enter the 2-to-1 high output engine. It converts fuel into that special propulsion class. The result, a solvent-like field that dissolves grid resistance right where you're headed. Keep the path clear, stay light, go far. The math becomes, can the engine sustain a clear corridor longer than the grid can refill it? So what about the speed of light? In this model, light isn't a wall, it's a beacon. It illuminates the grid at a fixed refresh rate, C, like sound in air limits waves, not the jet that goes supersonic. As you approach C, you don't get heavier, you hit a pressure peak. Beat the refill rate with field dissolvers, and you move through the illuminated area faster than the illumination itself. This flips the question from where do we find infinite energy to how do we refine propulsion energy to erase resistance faster. Space stops being a barrier and starts being a medium you can master. Clear the path, ride the grid, go. The grid's resistance, here's the mechanical key to the whole model. The grid nodes are massless, no inertia, no friction. They're the permanent, immutable stage that everything moves through. Mass, that's just how many nodes your molecules are snagging as you travel. You're dragging constant resistance with you. But a massless object, one that never snags a single node, glides through a massless grid with zero resistance. Space isn't empty. It's a static, frictionless stage. In physics, just the math of how massive things collide with it. The grid's force.